Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This will be unusual video. Driving home from work. Just wanted to ask you, how is the situation in the place where you live? You guys know I'm in California, and the prices of the gasoline, the gas prices are absolutely insane here. Recently, almost every single type of gas, 87, 89, 91, everything was over $5 per gallon. I thought it was pretty crazy. You can see me in this camper. This is our little funny Ford E350 Super Duty 15 passenger. It's the longest. You see it many times in front of shop, in the background when I do videos. It's a 2005, very low miles, 74,000 miles. You have this little bed, very simple setup, just to go camping on the weekends, which doesn't happen very often anyway, but that's what we are doing. So as you can imagine, this is a gas guzzler. I even have no idea how many miles per gallon it goes, but I was wondering, is it so crazy in the areas you live? Here everything was over $5. I was like, this is crazy. But I was just beginning. Just a couple days ago, I went to this Ford E350, hopped in the cabin, in the seat, turned the ignition, started up. I'm like, what's going on? My warning empty fuel, the orange light is on, the gauge is sitting on nothing, below empty. Well, guess what? The gas is too expensive. So some people decided, hey, I don't want to pay for it anymore. And they sucked this gas tank, which you can imagine is enormous. They just sucked it dry in the night. I don't know who and when did it. I was empty completely. I barely made it to the nearest gas station to put something in it. Pretty unbelievable. So I know it's connected to the gas prices. Obviously it's connected to it. I was just wondering, is it so expensive in your areas? I know when in the videos it comes up that I'm here in California, a lot of people really leave a nasty comments about California, what a bad place. And I know there's a huge amount of people who left. I admire them that they left because they realize they don't want to live in a place like this, the society where it's heading, and they have a courage to give up what they did and burn everything down, right? All the ties, and close the businesses or leave the work and sell the house. It takes a lot of courage, in my opinion, to do it, but I don't know. I just keep observing it, and maybe that's what will happen with us too, because this place is really turning crazy on many different levels. But I just was wondering, how much is gas in your state? If you don't mind sharing it, I will show you. I'm heading in the town. I'm still recycling oil filters and so on, but I will give you a snapshot of the gas prices here. It was, all of it was over $5. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, we are getting on the level of the Europe, except our vehicles are like 3 times less efficient than European cars, which are tiny and are diesels and so on. So let me just pull over here and then I will show you the prices today. So here is the gas station behind me. Let me zoom on those prices. And I didn't want to show it in the zoom, so here you got it. This is ours today. $4.79, $4.99, $5.19, and diesel is $4.95. And this is the company which will take in and recycle your used oil, and also maybe not everybody knows, they will also recycle these oil filters. So thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. See ya.